1. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Answer: Pacific Ocean. 2. What is the capital of France? Answer: Paris. 3. Who wrote the famous play Hamlet? Answer: William Shakespeare. 4. How many moons does Mars have? Answer: 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. 5. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer: Leonardo da Vinci. 6. What is the highest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. 7. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. 8. What is the capital of Canada? Answer: Ottawa. 9. What is the Great Barrier Reef located in? Answer: Australia. 10. What is the largest continent on Earth? Answer: Asia. 11. How many planets are in our solar system? Answer: 8, currently 12. What is the largest country in the world by area? Answer: Russia. 13. What is the most populous country in the world? Answer: China. 14. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Answer: Au. 15. What is the capital of Germany? Answer: Berlin. 16. What is the currency of the United States? Answer: US dollar. 17. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Answer: blue whale. 18. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Answer: Vatican City. 19. What is the name of the current President of the United States? Answer: Joe Biden. 20. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer: H2O.